This video is all about taking action on your outdoor life. Let's create the backyard of your dreams. It's time to take action. Enjoy. Personally help you and guide you through your backyard process. And then I teach you every step of the build. Literally every feature I will walk you through how to build yourself. Now in these videos, I use real projects and real backyard challenges that homeowners just like you face every single day. Now I also know a lot of you at this stage are still not 100% confident, and that's completely normal. And they tell themselves that they're ready. You're not ready. All right, welcome back to the Backyard Build Blueprint DIY series. This is video 4. So by now, you've built a strong foundation. In video 1, you've learned the core principles of backyard design. In video 2, you've created your vision board, and I really hope you didn't skip this step because that is the foundation of everything. And in video 3, you created your master plan on graph paper. Now in this video, I want to give you the tools to make sure you're confident in all of the work that you've already done and get you ready for the next step, actually building your outdoor space. Now this is a tough one to teach in a video, because what we're really doing here is validating your design. But I'm gonna walk you through the most common mistakes that I see at this stage so you can catch them before they become expensive problems. The first mistake, and this is the really big one, is that people didn't actually complete the first 3 steps. They did part of it, they have a rough idea, maybe a partial sketch, and they tell themselves that they're ready. You're not ready. If you didn't fully complete the vision board, map out your destinations, and create a true master plan, you don't have a plan yet. So if that is you, please go back and finish it. These steps are just simple, and honestly, they should be really fun. Get your family involved, but please don't skip this step. The second mistake that I see all the time is people fall back into the old way of thinking and they put everything right outside of the back door. Monster mistake people make is they are still in the old school way of thinking about their backyards, and they put everything in their backyard right outside of the door. Like your dining, your chairs, everything goes in one spot, and then they just put grass in and planting. That's the old school way of thinking about your backyard. But I want you to not make that mistake, and I want you to use your backyard. Every nook and cranny of your backyard, if you can, think about, hey, can that be used as living space or not? So let's recap where you should be right now. You should have already created your vision board, and you have a clear style and direction. You understand the 3 core principles: destinations, flow, and sightlines. And you've mapped out your full master plan, including everything you want now and over the next 3 to 5 years. If you've done all of that, then you're in a great position and you're ready to move forward. You might be ready to build it all by yourself. Now, I also know a lot of you at this stage are still not 100% confident, and that's completely normal. This is where things really start to feel real. So if you're feeling unsure, this is exactly why I created my membership. In fact, the doors to the Journey to a Backyard Life membership experience are open again. And I would love to personally help you and guide you through your backyard process. Now the doors close really quick. They're only open until May 31st at midnight Pacific Standard Time. Again, the doors are open, but it's only for a brief window, so please take action, because I would love to personally guide you and help you through this entire process. This is my 3rd year personally guiding members through every stage of creating their backyard living space. Here's what the journey looks like. Module number 1 is getting started. Module number 2 is your vision. Module number 3 is the design, where I fully help you get the design and give you the thumbs up that you're ready. Module number 4 is the build, where I walk you through how to do all of the build yourself, and I will also have a video in this series later about some of this. Module number 5 is decorate, because when you create your backyard living space, you need to know how to decorate the outdoor furniture correctly. And I'll walk you through every step of this, making sure you have the proper flow with your outdoor furniture as well. Module number 6 is celebrate. And you'll have to wait and see what I have in store for your celebration when you complete your backyard living space. Everything is broken down into clear, easy to follow videos. I've spent hundreds of hours building this clear and easy to follow roadmap that takes you through every step and teaches you how to do everything, all the way through the vision, through the design, step by step. I give you the thumbs up, and then I teach you every step of the build. Literally every feature, I will walk you through how to build yourself. Now, in these videos, I use real projects and real backyard challenges that homeowners just like you face every single day. You're not doing this alone. Every month we meet live as a group. We review your projects together. We solve any problems that you're going through, and we make sure everyone is moving forward the right way. Here's a quick look at some of the membership meetups that we've had throughout the last 3 years.
They're, install and forget about it kind of thing. And they're fairly inexpensive, when you compare it with the build material. Okay, Kimmy, while we got you, do you want to go over yours real fast?
Sure, and I tried to just upload a video on the design module, so I don't know if that maybe helps, because I know Tim mentioned the pictures are kind of really small, so I apologize. I really tried to put it.
I have all the pictures here downloaded, so let me try those real fast and see how they do, if that's cool with you.
Sure, go ahead.
And let's share my screen.
Basically, what I'm thinking of is from the bottom deck, from the center, I would like to bring, yes, exactly. I would like to bring out some wide stairs to get down from that deck to a path that would lead on your screen from the right down between the 2 olive trees, which would be in the south corner, exactly through there, and then wrap around, and then towards the left to the southwest corner to the opposite direction, behind a pool, and then loop back towards the deck, if that makes any sense. Yes, around here there would be a gazebo where you passed, and then back towards the deck. So it will depend on the height, only because we get really crazy lightning storms. So I would have to know the root structure. Otherwise, I'm 100% on board.
I love that everybody's posting their stuff, and I can't wait to help you out. So we'll definitely get to it, and I'll organize it maybe in 10-minute increments so I can answer everybody's questions.
I think you'll be surprised at how much you actually see inside the membership. Let me jump inside the interface and show you exactly what you can expect inside each of the modules. So this is the main website that I have. You can just go right from my website. You just go to log in, and you're taken to your library where you have the community. So this is how you enter the community. I'll show you that in a moment. And then you have all of the modules. So essentially you can click in, let's just say the vision board here, the vision module. And I've already been consuming this. So essentially it lets you know where you've left off, so you can resume your course. But there's a lot to this. In fact, let me just run you over right now to the design module. That seems to be the one that attracts the most people. Like, they're very attracted to how much I help people with the design. So essentially I really dissect all of what goes into the design. From the introduction, I show you how to measure correctly, and then I teach this course by solving your backyard puzzle. So there's a whole illustration that I use about a puzzle piece and getting it solved correctly. So it's very educational, but it really works. And I know this because I've done it with 3 years of members now and helped them successfully from nowhere, from blank backyards to finished backyard gorgeous transformations. And I will show you some of those as we continue into this. But anyways, you can, once you click in to one of these, it has the whole video that you can then really digest. Now let me show you the build, because that's really another encouraging one, especially for DIYers. So look at how much I go into the build. So literally from excavation, all of your underground, the covered structures and carpentry items. We go over all of the different types of structures. So freestanding structures, attached structures. I go in deep on how to build these, and the decks and the waterproofing, the pergolas. If you continue, really, we go into all of the outdoor features, the popular ones. Here's the fireplace. This is another really popular one. I even have over to the side all of the downloads of the different types of inserts that you could use. So here's the 42 inch. You could grab that, and right here is the installation manual for that courtyard 42 inch. So I've really tried to give you all of the information on the different ways to build these. But remember, I will be with you through the membership to help you every step of the way. And let me just go back to the library and show you how to, once you get into the membership, so you can go into the community here, and this is the back end, like how we all talk to each other. So you can either start our prep class, continue with completing your profile. But if you go over to the side here, we have all of these meetups. You can go back and, oh wait, here's the different times of the meetups. Recorded live calls. I post all of our old calls, so you can go back and review all of the Zoom meetups that we've had in the past. Here's the hardscape module where Tim, he's from Germany. He's asking some questions about his project, and we're just walking him through how to do it. Tim is very good at 3D, so he's done a lot of his design in 3D, and it's been nice to coach him along the way. We have the completed puzzle. So this is really important, as I want to see everybody complete their puzzle, and I want to be able to give the mark of approval that I like it. Here's another one with graph paper, and we can maneuver it around. I'll give you the thumbs up that I approve it, and we will go from there. So again, I'm a handrail for you every step of the way to make sure every phase of your project gets done correctly. I don't want you making mistakes and wasting a lot of money. The membership is very inexpensive, but it's very effective at getting you from where you're at right now to the very finished.
Again, you will have direct access to me. We're going to meet face to face. I'm going to review your work. I'm going to give you feedback, and I'm going to help you make the right decisions before you move forward and start spending real money. Honestly, I don't want you building the next phase until you feel confident with the phase that you're in, especially with the design, because as you know, the design is the most important step of the entire process. And I'll personally help you with layout decisions, feature placement, materials, creative ideas, and even push you to think outside of the box so your backyard feels truly unique. And when your design is ready, I'll personally give you my approval so you can move into the build phase with confidence. The doors are now open to join my membership, and I only open them once, maybe twice per year. I want to give the proper time to my members, so I keep my doors closed most of the season. But now they're open, and I really want you to at least explore. Click the link below and see if it's right for you. If you miss this enrollment, you could be missing another entire season without making real progress on your backyard. Again, the doors officially close on May 31st at midnight Pacific Standard Time. So click the link below to see everything that's included inside my membership and decide if it's the right fit for you. And in the next video, I'm going to walk you through a real-life transformation from one of my members. Their entire family started from absolute scratch, followed the roadmap step by step, stayed consistent, trusted the process, and completely transformed their backyard. And I cannot wait to let you see the transformation. From start, it was very ugly, and wait till you see the transformation. I'll let you see that on the next video. Have a good day, guys.